Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the PC you will connect to. Enable remote desktop in settings so the service runs. Make sure the account you plan to use has a password and is in the remote desktop users group. This prevents denied logins. Once done, check Windows Firewall and enable the remote desktop rule or open TCP port 3389 on the host. Also note IP or hostname now, because you will need it for the connection step that follows. You now launch the remote desktop client. On Windows, type MSDSC or open the app. Enter the hostname or IP, then expand options to set display size, local resource redirection, printers, clipboard, drives, and network-level authentication to improve security. If performance is poor, lower color depth and disable resource redirection. Once configured, save these settings as an RDP file or profile so you won't repeat choices. This streamlines future connections. You click Connect and provide the username and password. Accept a certificate prompt only if it matches the host you expect. Once connected, verify the session by opening Task Manager to confirm responsiveness and check network and display quality. If the connection fails, make sure the host's IP/hostname is correct, firewall and port forwarding are set, remote desktop services are running, and credentials are valid. If you still can't connect, restart the host or temporarily disable firewall rules to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.